What to do if the pin a video option is not showing on TikTok. So hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if we go to a video and then if I click on those three dots next to comments, as we can see, I do not have the pin a video option. So let's solve this. We have to go back on our profile. And then from here we have to go on those three dots from the right top corner, three lines. And then from here we have to scroll down until we find report a problem. And then we will have to go to videos and sound. And then from here click on other. Then click again on other. And then here I already added a feedback, so I will click on view feedback. And if you are new to this, you have to click no, that your problem is not solved yet, and then click on need more help. So I will click on view feedback. Then I will click on add feedback. You just have to write something and it will show exactly like this. So click here, and here we have to write our problem, and we will say hello TikTok team, I don't have the pin a video option, please solve this problem for me, and you will receive a response in less than 2 days. So if you have another problem, you don't have the stitch or duet or layout, you can also go to report a problem, write something about it, and then send them a feedback. So after that, click on report, and like I said, you will receive a response in less than 2 days. You can receive it in an hour, 2 hours, a day, or 2. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Please comment down below if you received your pin a video option, and if not, you can also comment and we will solve this together. So thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.